Why make YouTube safer for kids?
Protecting children online is essential. YouTube contains a mix of content, some suitable for kids, some not. By knowing how to block channels and use YouTube's safety features, parents can reduce their children's chances of seeing inappropriate videos, ads, or comments. Let's look at simple ways to create a safer YouTube experience for your family.
How can I block specific YouTube channels?
To block a channel, visit its page, then tap the three dots or More button. Choose Block User or Don't Recommend Channel. On YouTube Kids, tap on a video, select More, then block this channel. Blocking can prevent unwanted content from appearing in feeds or recommendations, but kids may still find content through other accounts or browsers.
How do I turn on restricted mode?
The restricted mode helps screen out potentially mature content. On a desktop, scroll to the bottom of the YouTube page and click Restricted Mode. Turn it on. On mobile, open Settings, select General, and toggle Restricted Mode. Remember, Restricted Mode works best as an extra filter. It's not always perfect.
What is YouTube Kids and how do I use it?
YouTube Kids is a separate app designed for children. Download the app from your device's app store. Set up profiles for each child, select age categories, and customize content filters. You can also block specific channels or videos and set time limits, giving you more control over what your kids watch.
Extra safety tips for parents.
Talk openly with your kids about online safety. Use parental controls, supervise viewing when you can, and regularly review their watch history. Encourage your children to speak up if they see anything confusing or upsetting. With the right settings and honest conversations, you can make YouTube a safer, more positive place for your family.